eyebrows shorter than the other? Y'all was gonna let me go out looking like boo-boo the fool, knowing one of my eyebrows was shorter than the other.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. I am Evveymonique, and today I am going to be doing a video on obviously this look right here. I wanted to do like the little fox eyes trend that's going around, but I really like this eye makeup. I used the Saharan palette by Juviasplace. Hope I pronounced that right. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching. But before we get into the video, do not forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and comment down below. And let's get into it. So basically, I decided that I'm just going to skim through my eyebrows because I know you've seen it like 500 billion times. Okay, so I think they're looking pretty good, you know, if I do say so myself. I am going to be taking this palette, don't know if you can see it, by Juviasplace. Okay, so I think I'm going to be going in with the color Katsina. Yo, I'm going to butcher all these names. I feel it. But this shade right here, my camera doesn't autofocus. But this color right here as a transition shade. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Chad. That great, so I'm going to be using tape and just placing it on, what's it called, help me out, the outer, yeah. Be going in with the color, with the shade Jamila. If I pronounce that right, that's really pretty. But the shade right here. And I'm just gonna like smudge out the wing.
Okay, you guys, so I don't know what I was doing, but all I can remember is thinking that my nose was in the way of me doing this eye, so that is why I am holding my nose. I'm putting primer on my face. I know it doesn't look like I'm putting anything on my face, but I am putting primer on my face right now.
Okay, so the foundation I'm going to be going in with is a drugstore one, and it is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation in the shade 315 Soft Honey.
So basically, I don't know why I was putting on my foundation with my fingers, but I started it, so I had to finish it. But just don't mind me. I'm in my own world.
So next I am going to be going in with the CoverGirl concealer and the Infallible Pro Glow by L'Oreal in the shade Natural Beige Concealer. Okay, so next I am going to be setting this with the Patrick Star and MAC setting powder. Yeah, anyway, I don't think they sell this anymore, but I'm like, I love this stuff. So next I am going to be setting my foundation. I feel like I'm forgetting something with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Okay, so I just popped on some lashes. I'm gonna go back in with the palette and do the under eyes, and I'm gonna use Xoxo, the shade right here. My freaking camera is dying. It never fails. Like, it died in the last tutorial. It's dying in this tutorial. It's ridiculous. I'm going to coat my lower lashes with some mascara. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It kind of came out good even though it took us some time to get here. I actually really like it. You made it this far to the video, you made it to the end, you might as well subscribe so you can see more of me. I hope you guys liked it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share. I love you guys, you know I do, and I'll see you next time. Bye.